Meron kasi akong parang naisip minsan na nagiging burden ako. Ganun. Ganun talaga. Yung wino-work ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko bago pa.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain